Hi everyone, and I'm back. I hope you're doing fine. So this morning, join me. I will be doing my short facial routine before going to work. It's very simple and it's quick, so stay with me. So first, I would like to tell you what filter I'm using. I'm using Twilight filter, and I love the I do of this Meow effect by Frenchsinger. Yes. So let's do it together, guys. So in the morning, I just splash my face with water, just tap water, simple. And just be careful with the temperature. It shouldn't be too hot or too cold to protect your skin. I dry my skin with a soft towel, and then I spray it all over, including even my neck and my chest, with Aven thermal spring water. The next is the eye cream, not ice cream, eye cream. Yes, you top it around lightly, ever lightly, because our skin around the eyes are very sensitive and very delicate. The next is my serum, vitamin C, and then the day cream. And then, because I have this redness in my T section, especially in cold weather or after sauna, so I'm using this another Aven product. This is not a promo. That's the soothing emulsion. So I will show you. I will put a bit. Looks like that. You just stop it where the redness is. I have a redness here and there and here and just around my nose and chin. That's a T section. That's it. Let it set for a while, tapping very lightly. Yeah, there it is. So guys, since I have my I do from Meow effect of a Frenchsinger, I'm loving it. Don't you? Yeah. So actually, I start with my eyes. I'm using this Avon from again, this is not sponsored. This is not a advertisement. This is from my niece from Philippines. So she gave me this. This is it's a coral, nice. It's a sandy coral quad. So I'm just using a bit of this and that. But actually, first, I know this is not a good brush, but first to have this a bit lighter under your, or all around, actually all around, since I have the Meow I do already from this effect, but I'm just showing you some of this lightness or brightness for your eyes. And then this, I combine this, and then just, I usually tap it on my palm to take off some excess so it doesn't fall on my cheek. Yes, and then just the best brush is your own finger to just clear out the lines there. I use the brown shades as well on the side, on the corner, outer corner, and a bit around up there. So just to wake up my eyes, to widen it, to make it big. So that's it. And some of this waterproof gouache, I have dark brown. I don't like black, so I just very lightly as well. I don't press on my cheek, just to have some support there with my pinky, and just like that. You can clean it up with your pinky, or I have a small brush somewhere like this to clean it up, just to smear it a bit and break the line so it doesn't look like really, so it's like a part of your eyes. And then of course our eyebrow, but if you want more, oops, sorry, I have this brightener pencil, a bit, not too much. You can clean it up a bit as well on the side. to open up your eyes. Open up your eyes. What else? For my lips, I use with vitamin B. This is from Pharmacist. Yeah. To prepare your lips for the upcoming lipstick. But actually, I'm not using lipstick. I will show you what I have. This is L'Oreal. This is Eye Assert. It calls 404. I love this. This is a lip plumber. So there is a tingling effect on the shine, a bit of shade, pigments there, not too much. You just, yeah, feels good. And I curled my my eyelashes, and I'm using this all day long lash from Isadora. I used to have Clinique, but that's empty already, so I have this spare, and you just, you know, just upwards to separate your lashes, and that's it. I don't put mascara on my lower lash because it seems like it's drooping my eyes downwards. So what we like to do is pull everything upwards and not downwards. So and next you can separate your lashes with your lash comb. Actually, I do this before curling. No, after curling my eyelashes, I brush it to separate the lashes, and then I put the mascara and let it dry, and then I put another coat of mascara. Or you can comb, separate your lashes in between your mascara application. And then next is my eyeliner. No, eyebrow definer, sorry. This is Slim Definer. It's also L'Oreal, and I'm using Brown Artist. So just lightly as well. I don't really like forming a harsh line on my eyebrow, and not too long down there, because again, as I said, it will pull your, your frame down. So what you want to do is you stop here. Actually, it should be there. Yeah, see the end, and here the start from the line of your nose, and then the arc should be there in the line with your pupil, middle of your pupil, right? Take your time when you're doing this. Actually, you don't need much, so I don't, for a while, I haven't been doing making or using any foundation after washing my face with water, which is, I think it's enough, because I put already nighttime, I cleanse, I toned, I put the serum, I put the night cream, and then two times a week or once a week, I do a facial mask and a scrubbing once a week. Yeah, I think that's enough. And then you can brush if there is you can use the brush to push it up, brush it upwards, everything upwards. We want it upwards, not towards the gravity, fighting the gravity. But of course, what can you do with that? What else? Do I forget anything? Oh, yeah. And next is a bit of blush. Rosy Cheeks. You want to put a bit on top of your nose, where the sun shines naturally. And then a bit of a shine on top of your cheekbones and the tip of your nose. Maybe a bit of your chin, and next is some contouring. Actually, you can put it earlier, but I don't want it too much, so and then a bit of a blush. I like combining colors, so extra on your palm and on top of your nose a bit, where the sun shines naturally. You get the rosy cheeks there, and then a bit of a shine, not too much. You don't want to shine too much unnaturally. Top of your cheeks, chin, maybe a bit on your forehead, and also you want a bit of shine on your neck, cheekbones. I mean this scapula, your collarbone. Yes, yep. How does it look? I hope you like it. And last but not the least, to seal everything in, I have the mineral powder. This is a pore putty. You just press it because you don't want to mix everything that you have just put your blush on and your glitter or your highlighter and your contouring powder. So just press it in place, and then if you want, you can put more. I will press also here a bit in place. That's it, guys. Sometimes I use as well my brush applicator, and again the excess on your palm. Yes, and we're ready to go. And last but not the least, the setting spray. This is matte finish. So spray like that. As you notice, I spray it like downward in the middle and then crossed. Let it dry for a while. You can also apply this with your makeup sponge. Yeah, that's very useful. And that's it, guys. We're ready. Hand lotion. Smells so good. We have to take care of our hands as well. And when I put my hand lotion, I do my elbows as well. So why not? Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you the soonest. Take care and stay connected and inspired. Bye for now.